Before buying an under-desk walking pad, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Many buyers are actually frustrated by the noise and instability that some of these pads bring. But understanding which features truly matter will help you make a smart choice.
Product number 1, LZ-MYV Walking Pad Mat. The LZ-MYV Walking Pad Mat caught my attention with its promise of protecting your floors while you walk. Priced at $23.98, it offers a solid option if you're looking for a mat that absorbs shock and noise. If you want to keep your floors pristine while exercising, this is worth a serious look. So why does this mat stand out? First off, it's made from high-density PVC, which means it's tough enough for heavy equipment while also offering great cushioning. This is essential because the 6mm thickness significantly reduces vibrations, making it less likely to disturb others at home. Plus, it features a non-slip design that keeps your equipment stable. With over 200 units sold in just the past month, it's clearly a popular choice. Now, some people did mention that it can be a bit bulky to store, but here's the thing. If you're serious about working out regularly, the stability and floor protection it provides far outweigh that inconvenience. This is perfect for you if you have hardwood floors and want to avoid scratches or dents. Skip this one if you need a mat that's ultra light and easy to fold away often, but for the price, it offers great value for protecting your space.
Product number 2, Urevo Foldable Treadmill Mat. The Urevo Foldable Treadmill Mat, which impressed me with its space-saving design. At $24.99, it's a great fit for people with limited space. If you want something compact that still protects your floor, this one deserves your attention. This mat unfolds to a generous size of 63 by 26 inches, but can fold down to a mere 15.8 by 12.8 inches, making it perfect for small apartments or for traveling. The professional-grade PVC material can handle up to 660 pounds, meaning it's built for durability. What's more, the honeycomb shock absorption technology claims to cut workout noise by 90%, allowing you to exercise without waking up your neighbors. It's really what you need for a peaceful workout environment. However, some users felt the mat could slide a bit during intense workouts. That said, if you're doing moderate exercises, it holds up well. This is ideal for anyone looking to maximize their workout space with a solid mat. But if you're planning on doing intense cardio, you might want to consider how much sliding could impact your routine.
Product number 3, Veo Stories Walking Pad Cover. The Veo Stories Walking Pad Cover is next on the list, priced at $19.97. If you're keen on keeping your under-desk treadmill dust and water-free, this cover is a smart buy. This cover fits most under-desk treadmills measuring 48 to 50 inches, making installation a breeze with its stretchy, snug design. The 600D Oxford fabric is waterproof and effectively blocks dust and pet hair, so your equipment stays clean when stored. Given that it's lightweight, you can easily slip it off for quick cleaning. However, a few customers pointed out that it doesn't fit all brands perfectly. That said, if you measure your treadmill beforehand, it should work nicely. This is perfect for those who want to protect their treadmill from everyday wear. Skip it if you need something more robust for outdoor use, but at this price, it's a cost-effective way to keep your gear in top condition.
Product number 4, Shokin Treadmill Walking Pad Mat, which is priced at just $19.99. If you're looking to minimize noise and protect your floors during workouts, this mat could be what you need. Available in multiple sizes, this mat is crafted from soft rubber that absorbs vibrations and noise, making your workouts quieter. Its anti-slip texture ensures that your equipment stays put, which is crucial if you're working out vigorously. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just a quick wipe and you're done. Some users did mention its thickness is less than some competitors, which might not offer the same level of shock absorption. But honestly, for the price, I found it performed adequately for lighter activities. This mat is a great fit for those who want to protect their floors without breaking the bank. However, if you plan to do heavy cardio, you might want something thicker.
Product number 5, AidTech Under-Desk Treadmill Cover. We have the AidTech Under-Desk Treadmill Cover, priced at $18.99. This one's designed for those who want to keep their treadmill covered when not in use, offering both dust and water protection. Its dimensions of 56 by 28 inches fit well for most under-desk treadmills, and the elastic hem makes it easy to put on and take off. Made from durable 420D Oxford cloth, it promises to keep your treadmill safe from spills, dust, and pet hair.
Given its lightweight nature, it can be folded away without taking up much space. However, a few customers found it could tear if not handled carefully. Here's the thing though, if you're gentle with it, it should last you a long time. This is perfect for anyone looking to protect their treadmill from dust and spills. But skip it if you need something that can withstand heavy outdoor conditions, but honestly, it's a solid option for indoor use.
To wrap it all up, the LZMYI and Urevo mats are top choices for durability and noise reduction. The Veo Stories cover keeps your treadmill clean, while the Shauken mat is budget-friendly for quieter workouts. Lastly, the Ada Tech cover is perfect for protecting your gear when stored. Each has unique strengths depending on what you need, so pick the one that fits your lifestyle best.